and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna help you to log into Mythdhr account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever we post our video. Now let's get started. Open up any web browser on your PC. Now search for Mythdhr login. Now tap first link from your search result. Once you do that, you will take into this page. Now scroll a bit down. You can see current associates. Click here to log in. Former associates and associates on LOA. Click here to log in. Forget password. Now if you are a former or ex-worker, ex-employee, then tap former associates and associates on LOA. Click here to log in to get logged into your account. Now, if you have forgotten your password, then tap on forget password link and reset your password. Now, if you are the employee of this company, then tap on current associates. Click here to log in. Now, you need to choose store location or other location. Then type your user ID and your password of your account. If you have choose store as a location, then type in your store number. After that, type in your user ID. If you have chosen store, then type in your AIS ID, and if you have chosen other location, then type in LAN ID. Now type in your password correctly. Make sure you have typed in your details correctly. After that, tap on login button to get logged into your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.